you know, do the puncture wound in a tire, right? A nail has gone through my tire, and this professional bhai is gonna set it up right. So भाई को नाम की हो? साहिल. साहिल.
195 60 16.
195 is telling up the numbers in the tire. So this is how we block the hole. I hope it doesn't blow up like a whale. Can you see the nail? See? I don't know how this. Nail got up in my tire. So that's how we fix a tire here in India. You don't need no new tires just for a puncture wound like this. You can fix it up, bandage it up. It's a minor, injury to the car. If it was to be a foreigner, people from America, UK, they would have gotten a new tire and they would have thrown this shit out, thrown this whole new tire out. It's not new, but it's also not that old. So why waste raw materials, Instead I can, block this puncture up with a thing that's right here. So this is some glue and some rubber and some lighter and a cord that's gonna put up some air in my tire. Easy fix. Easy fix, for mechanics, pro mechanics of India. Bhai, timro age kati ho? 17. So this guy is only 17 years old. Look at the skills in his hand, Look at the skills in his hand. Only 17 years of age, and he is a pro, mechanic, a pro tire changer, a pro, Mr. Fix-It. 36 halde, pro Mr. Fix-It of tires. He's only 17 years of age. We got to learn something from him, especially those entitled kids of parents who have spoiled them, who've, stuck up a spoon, a silver spoon, not just a silver spoon, a diamond, a golden spoon up their mouth, up their throat. Learn something from this 17-year-old kid of India. Ho gaya bhai? Thank you. So it's all done. All done. Good as new.